In today's tutorial, we'll delve into how you can conveniently snooze notifications from within a direct message conversation on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, navigate to the specific direct message conversation that you wish to snooze notifications for. Next, click or tap into the message settings located within the conversation interface. Then, locate and click or tap on the information icon within the conversation window. From the options that appear, select Snooze Notifications. A pop-up menu will then prompt you to choose the duration for which you'd like to snooze notifications. You can opt for a snooze time interval of 1 hour, 8 hours, 1 week, or even choose to snooze notifications forever. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively manage your notification preferences within direct message conversations on Twitter using your PC. This feature empowers you to control when and how you receive notifications, enhancing your messaging experience. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. Start snoozing notifications within your direct message conversations on Twitter today to tailor your notification settings and maintain focus when needed.